Okay, welcome to Micah's Crazy Kitchen. Today we're making a delicious pasta dishes. Okay, I got my pan heating up here with some bacon fat in it, and for this little horseradish cream sauce, we're also going to have moose steak in there too that I have sliced up. So in our sauce, we're going to saute off some mushrooms. We've got about maybe 4 or 5 cups of mushrooms. That's going to cook down pretty quickly.
Nice big chunks too, eh?
Big chunks.
Nice.
We've got 4 little peppers that we've sliced up.
Nice.
And then we're going to crank the heat, cook that right down. We got our water on to boil for the pasta. So we're going to let this cook down for about 10, 15 minutes or so.
This looks easy, Micah.
This is going to be very easy. And then I'll explain to you how it's going to all go together. In another episode, we have our onion bacon jam that is going to go in our sauce just before the end.
Oh my God.
So what's going to happen, we're going to saute off the mushrooms and peppers. We're going to dump them into the bowl. Cook our steak off for just a minute. Dump it back into the bowl. And then we're going to deglaze our pan with a little white wine. Then we're going to add about a cup of this cream, about a 1/4 cup of this sour cream, about a 1/2 cup of this Parmesan Reggiano cheese, some shredded garlic's going to go in with the tomatoes, and then a little bit of rosemary to finish the sauce, a little squeeze of lemon, and boom. And then you're going to top it with those veggies and the steak, and it's going to be something.
Nice. So back to the deglaze, Micah.
Yes?
You're using white wine to boil the shit off your pan. Is that correct?
Yes sir, 3
Gotcha.
bags full.
Gotcha.
You are good. This is not Steven's first clam bake, everybody.
That's a fancy word for boil the shit off your pan.
Yeah. Okay, we'll come back in a bit, my friends. Okay, this is cooking down a bit.
Oh.
If you remember, like a few minutes ago, she was a full meal deal, heaping. We're going to keep letting it cook down a little more. I'm getting a little anxious, so I think I'm going to add the tomatoes.
Oh, I love it. It looks good.
Oh wait, before I add the tomatoes, we'll go extra 30 seconds. It's a little salt and pepper. Thank you for Patrick and Jen Tryon gave us these for Christmas gift. The most beautiful salt and pepper electronic. Oh
yeah, well now you got me. I was going to say that's baloney, but
I didn't have to do anything.
That's pretty cool.
I did not have to do anything.
Wow.
Gotta love power.
Thanks, Pat and Jen, once again.
Oh yeah.
Miss you guys too. We're going to throw in our cherry tomatoes that I've already halved. Just a pint of cherry tomatoes, any kind. It's best if you get all the, what do you call those, them there, heirloom tomatoes with the different colors. They're pretty.
The red ones.
And then we're just going to cook these till they open themselves up a little bit.
How do they open?
Well, when they get heated, they just start mushing, turn to mush. We're going to add all this stuff right towards the end. Get all our little grease.
What does that sound like?
What's that?
The opening.
The opening. I don't know.
Mush,
Oh,
mush.
maybe a...
Oh. Is that an open tomato?
That is open tomato. And you know what? We got one of these nice non-stick pans, so we don't even need to deglaze. So we're just going to pour the wine in, and we're going to create this sauce. We'll crank up. We got the heat cranked up on our pasta. So. A little garlic in you go.
Oh, I like the garlic.
Oh,
Me
the
too.
home is going to get fragrant here. Almost instant. I cut it Goodfellas style, just razor thin so it almost melts in there. Okay, this is thickening right away. We're going to turn it right down. Our pasta water is almost a-boiling. You know what? We can probably turn this almost right off.
Sounds
Just
good.
put it on low.
Off means closer to done.
We're going to put our minute steak in. We got a water boil. Okay, we're gonna turn that down, everyone. Everyone's okay.
Uh-oh, shit's hitting the fan in here.
Shit's hitting the fan.
Things are getting exciting.
We're gonna put our pasta in the water.
I don't know if you've ever had this much pressure.
We have a little salt.
Huge audience today.
Our studio audience is growing by the minute now. This is a special day, Mike.
Really, really exciting.
This is a special day.
Okay, we got pasta on. And then we'll come back to that in
5,
spaghettini. How long does
3,
spaghettini take?
2, 1, and it comes right back out of the pot.
Okay, the smell of success is in the air. Our
smell it.
minute steak horseradish cream delight is done. We're gonna take our pasta out, put all this together, and have a tasty little snackaroo.
It is set up here.
La-da. Whoops. Hey. Stop. Not wasting your pasta. Okay, look at this. Nice, perfectly al dente pasta. Now, and only now.
What is that, dente?
Al dente is just a little bit of chew in there. You don't want that
raw?
that mush.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, no.
I'm an al dente man.
Then we're just gonna put a little bit
Stiff.
A little bit of our sauce on there. Look at that. And then a little bit of fresh parsley. Have fun, Mason.
Thanks, I'll be back around 3.
So we put a bit of fresh thyme on there. A little more Parmigiano Reggiano. And then we just got some punked up parsley. We're just gonna go like that.
Oh, I always like the greens.
Look at that dish, everyone. How's that look?
Wow.
Yummy.
Would you guys like to
Wow.
get in and give this a try? I have one friend who might be a little reluctant because she might be afraid of the mousse. All right, let's see what we got with this horseradish sauce. Tell me what you can, if you can taste the, it's supposed to be hot horseradish, but obviously it'll just be a light horseradish flavor, but it's there. It's probably really warm too.
No, I think it's great.
It is beautiful.
A little kick, but not too much.
I'm
Right?
not big on like a white sauce kind of thing, but buddy, I would eat this every day of the week.
Delish.
Well, once again, everyone, if you like, you subscribe. Come on,
I like.
subscribe. It's a pretty goddamn good show sometimes, you know.
I like.
Have a nice day, everyone, and a great weekend.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Mwah.
Heck knees, heck knees.
Hey!